You've seen websites that react when you click a button, switch to dark mode in one tap, or show live updates without even refreshing. That's JavaScript in action. In this video, you'll finally understand what JavaScript really is, why it's used everywhere, and why learning it could be one of the smartest career moves you ever make. This is the very first episode of my new series, JavaScript to React Mastery, where I'll teach you everything you need to know to build your own website, step by step. So, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, because we're going from the very basics all the way to advanced concepts that real developers use. So, what exactly is JavaScript? Simply put, it's a programming language that tells your browser what to do. When you open any web page, you see buttons, boxes, and links. Those are created with HTML. The colors, layouts, and designs, that's CSS. But what happens when you actually click a button or submit a form? That moment of interaction, that's JavaScript. It's the brain of the web that makes everything come alive. It all started back in 1995 when a developer named Brendan Eich created JavaScript in just 10 days while working at Netscape. His goal was simple: to make websites interactive, to make buttons clickable, forms functional, and content dynamic. That 10-day experiment ended up changing the internet forever. Let me show you a quick example. See this button right here? With just one click, it can change the entire look of a website from light mode to dark mode. That's the power of JavaScript. One small script, complete transformation. But JavaScript isn't limited to websites anymore. You can use it for so much more. Basically, if it runs on a screen, there's a good chance JavaScript is involved. If you use Node.js, you can even write backend code, meaning you can build a full-stack app using just JavaScript. You'll also get access to some of the most powerful tools in the developer world: React, Angular, Vue.js for front-end, and Node.js, Express.js for backend. It's one of the most in-demand languages globally, and it's surprisingly easy to start with, no complicated setup needed. And here's the best part: you don't need a computer science degree to learn JavaScript. All you need is curiosity, a browser, and a bit of patience. Now, as promised, here are a few cool things you'll be able to build by the end of this series. We'll go step by step from what is JavaScript to deploying your first app online. In the next episode, we'll set up your environment and write your first JavaScript code together. If you're excited to start your journey, hit subscribe, drop a ready to learn in the comments, and I'll see you in episode 2. Thank you and keep learning.